your corner, in your corner. This is WJZ News at 11.
Mass overdose. A suspected bad batch of drugs sweeps through the streets of Baltimore, leaving rescuers scrambling and more than 24 people hospitalized tonight. Welcome into the news at 11, everyone. I'm Rick Ritter. At least 25 people were rushed to the hospital after being found unconscious in city streets. That is a number that sources tell WJZ is only expected to rise as the hours go on. WJZ on your corner in West Baltimore tonight. Caroline Forback live with more on what happened in West Baltimore today as some people were left in critical condition. Caroline, good evening.
Good evening, Rick. I spoke with some of the peer advocates in that area, and Rick, these people see substance use almost daily, and all of them told me they've never seen anything like this. And while it is unconfirmed, some of them say they believe this drug was laced.
It was real sad to see them people over there on the ground while they was working on them from the overdose.
Around 9:20 in the morning, fire crews and paramedics responded to several reported overdoses at the intersection of Pennsylvania and North Avenues. They found multiple people unresponsive.
Along North Avenue, along Pensy, both subway platforms, and then kind of off the beaten path down some of the alleys.
Bernard Nelson, a recovery coordinator at Penn North, told WJZ some of the people were able to be helped with Narcan, but more than 24 were hospitalized, at least 5 in critical condition.
This is the worst this ever been on Pennsylvania Avenue in 29 years.
Nelson, who sees drug activity in the area on a regular basis, says he believes whatever they took was laced.
Really, it was some kind of poison where the people was getting, and they overdosed from it.
Emergency crews closed off the area, now an active crime scene, as officers spoke with witnesses and reviewed camera footage. Groups like the Mayor's Office of Overdose Response and Community Peer Project were also on site to provide harm reduction supplies and offer support.
I have never, and I've been doing this work for a long time. And also, like I said, I have my own story. I have never seen anything like this, never. I felt sad. This is my community. This is even my neighborhood, so I felt really sad.
And the mayor's office said anyone potentially impacted should call 911 to seek immediate care. Additional resources are available through the 988 helpline. Reporting live here on your corner in Baltimore, Caroline Forback for WJZ.
That is a heartbreaking and disturbing story. Caroline, thank you. Because of all of this police activity, the Penn North Metro subway station, that's going to be closed until tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. MTA says you should use the Upton or Mondawmin subway stations instead and try to use the CityLink bus service afterwards if you need to move around that area.